This is a 2-hour drive from Davao City. Is it worth it? Naata diri sa Pilgrim located at Baganihan Marilog, Davao City, a Toronto-inspired restaurant. Dali kaunta. You get to choose here if you want to dine inside or outside. From Monday to Friday, open sila 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. And on weekends, 7 a.m. until 5 p.m. I was in a search for hummus. Maong naabot ko diring dapita. Actually guys, mahadlok jud ko mo try og bag-ong food tungod kay gusto nako sulit ang akong kwarta, and I must say this place did not disappoint. This is one of their bestseller, truffled mushroom gnocchi, and ganahan kayo si Habi. And for me, this is my favorite. Tiramisu. Lami jud kayo guys, promise. Mura siyag mango float nang gilayer-layer, but then dili siya same og lasa ha, pero lami jud, must try, promise. Nalipay jud ko kay naa sila'y si Kwati. I think ang ratio niya is more on milk and mas preferred nako kung more on tablea. Pero okay na gihapon kaysa naman sa chocolate powder ang gamiton. And maudi ay ni ang menu nila is screenshot na lang aron mabudgetan. Honestly guys, wala ko kaila silang menu. So ayaw mo kaula mangutana silang staff. Ibuutan ra jud ang ilang mga people dire. So is it really worth it to travel here? And the answer is super. So kana lang guys, thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog.